I started playing sport when I was about 5 years old. I would watch my parents play touch footy and netball every weekend. Sport was always on the TV. Dad would take me to live games. But I didn't want to be a part of the crowd. I always wanted to be on the field. As a kid, I never imagined sport would play such a significant role in my life. I never thought it would take me anywhere. I never knew it could shape me to be the person I am today. But it did. My childhood is flooded with memories of being outdoors and being active. Waves crashing over me, sand between my toes as I run, jumping in puddles on rainy days, bike riding at the netball courts. I was always busy. Never any time for my eyes to be glued to a screen. Is that not the way it should be? Sport changes the way we think. It allows us to develop important skills and learn valuable lessons. Patience, dedication, integrity, respect, passion. How are we expected to succeed at anything in life if we never learn to fail with grace? 13 years of wins, losses, winning goals, missed goals, friends, and rivals. I've managed to grow a passion for sport that motivates me to live my life to be the best version of myself. I want to inspire others to get involved and take opportunities that can lead them to a healthy, happy, and balanced lifestyle, whilst gaining skills and learning lessons that benefit you in every aspect of life. Finding a passion for sport led me to countless opportunities. I became sports captain at school, travelled to Hawaii for water polo, and Japan and Canada for snow sports. I taught kids from rural parts of Australia water safety and how to surf. Coached a netball team, met teammates I'm still best friends with today, and has inspired me to pursue a career in exercise management in the future. Who knows where sport could lead you? Every morning, I wake up and look in the mirror. I see my biggest competition staring me dead in the eye. I started playing sport when I was 5 years old. I don't see myself giving it up anytime soon.